So I'm watching this scene of Uthando Nesimbu and I'm realizing something. Guys, look at the background, look at the wall. So there's a picture of Umayeni, and then there's also a picture of Umayeni's family. And by family, I mean her and her kids only. There's no picture of Mselewu. Now I'm not understanding what is going on. Does this mean that Umayeni is really down with Mselewu? Let us talk about them more here on this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get to it. Now, I don't know noma bebenze lento on purpose, because it's possible that the director say kusane Thomi zikamselewu lapha ebondeni, so that yonke into izoba real, so that this breakup is going to be real and everything. I was so shocked. So Mselewu is coming in the house. They are showing us the whole house, and the house is beautiful, I must say. I don't know on the outside, but it's really looking nice. Now, basifezela ubonda, and ngalolu bonda loliyana was shown on purpose because there are only two pictures. There's a picture of Umayeni, and on the side a picture of Umayeni, Mpumelelo, Obanzi, and what is this boy's name, and Mnini. So babonke laphayana. And I'm like, if there's a picture of Umayeni alone, why can't there be a picture of Musa Mselewu alone? Why? I mean, it's his house after all. He bought that house, he's paying for that house. I don't understand. What does that mean? Does that mean that Musa Mselewu keep imali yakhe? That he's not being recognized in? I'm realizing so guys, comment there on the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this topic, and if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.